guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you tonight? It's Friday night and I am here, and my husband said to me I must make some punch for him, some peanut punch. So my punch is gonna have in some milk and some oats, peanut and Guinness, which is, I call this punch bad boy. Yeah, here I have some raisin and some pumpkin seed, and I'm gonna put 2 bananas in there, and I have a little bit of vanilla and some cinnamon powder. So I'm gonna put all of this in my bad boy punch, okay, which is my peanut punch. Okay, yes, I'm gonna put all the ingredients together. Here I have my peanut. I'm not gonna put all of this in there. And this is the peanut trash. You see in there? I'll show you. This is the trash from the peanut. I don't strip them off. I just make them stay in there. I'm gonna blend up everything together. Yeah, a lot of vitamins in the trash, so I don't throw them away. I'm gonna put the oats in there first. Not gonna put all of the oats. Yeah, just off. Yeah, then I'm gonna put the banana now. I'm gonna put the whole 2 bananas in there. Accidents do happen. Yeah, so I'm gonna cover it now. Actually, I leave a little bit of Guinness in there. I don't put all of it in there. So I'm gonna put it over there. Maybe I put the rest in there. Let's see what happens. Okay. So I'm gonna blend it. I'm not gonna blend it out smooth because I want to taste the peanut grain and the raisin and all of that. Okay, so I'm not gonna blend it straight. And this is how it looks so far. So I'm gonna put up my presentation now and get back to you guys. Okay, this is the amount I get here. And then I put all of the oats, and I'll just put half of the peanut. Yeah, and then I put all of the Guinness. So I'm gonna show you my presentation in a moment. Okay, and this is the finished look of my peanut punch. Hope you like this recipe, Jamaican recipe. Yeah, hope you like it. If you like it, give me a big thumbs up. If you don't subscribe as yet, please subscribe to my channel. I am a new YouTuber. Let's support each other. give me a big thumbs up. Please share. Please comment and tell me if you try this. Yeah, very nice. Yeah, you can make it for your husband and you both can drink it together. Yeah, powerful punch. Okay, so you can try it. Please try it and then tell me. Okay, so I'm gonna leave now. And remember, bless you guys and have a blessed night. Okay, bye.